Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to add a link to your site menu in Google Sites using the updated 2026 layout. It's perfect for linking out to forms, shops, external pages, or anything else you want. Start by opening the Pages panel and clicking the little down arrow. Choose Add Link. Type the label you want people to see in the menu, and then paste your link. You can drag the link anywhere in the navigation, place it at the top level, or drop it under another page to create a drop-down. You can also link to sections inside the same page by copy-pasting the section link. And if you want a cleaner menu, you can hide any page from navigation and replace it with a custom link instead. Preview your site to test the link, and when everything looks good, hit Publish, and that's it. That's how to add a link to your site menu in Google Sites for 2026. Thanks for watching, and